Annyeonghaseyo, I am Ara and we are the Co-Sisters. For today's video, samahan nyo kami sa aming lakad. Mag-quick visit pala kami sa store kasi may client si Mami. Dahil walang maiwan sa amin at bored kami, sumama na lang kami kay Mami. Well, nasa daan kami, me and Yumi is singing. Sige Ming, kanta pa. Nagtampururut na naman si Yumi kasi gusto niya mauna mag-sing. I love you, Ming Ming. We arrive here at SM Talbastagan. Paakyat na kami sa store. Mommy is checking shoes in Alberto. Stop ka na, Mommy. Huwag ka na mag-shopping. And also, guys, it's our Samchun's last day. Magbalik na siya sa Korea. While naghihintay kami, andito na yung client ni Mami. Thank you po, sir, sa pagtitiwala at pag-order. Si Yumi atat na atat maglaro. We are done playing and Samchun bought us candy and gummies. May masisira na naman ni Pineto. Yum, yum, yum. At dinner time na at gutom na kami, we plan to eat McDo. Hay nako, nagkulitan na naman kami. Nagpakarga kami kay Tita At. Diyos ko, agbibigat daw. Ito pala yung food namin. Masarap kain, Ming. Kain at mangan tayo, guys. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye!